Chrissy, I want to take a moment out to tell the listeners about something that happened at a recent workshop with us, and that is this. We had to the workshop a long-time radio listener. His name was John Barton. John's a very nice man, and John, as part of the workshop, he raised his hand. He goes, Tom, I've been listening to you for a long, long time on the Olsen Law radio show. In fact, I was listening to you BC, before Chrissy. And, you know, he knows the difference. So I'm a different man now that I've been with you. I've been with you for many years now, but it's not that long ago before I was all by myself, before I met you. And I'm a changed man. I'm happy to say that, being in love with you.
Well, love, thank you so very much for those very kind words. And I am so happy and honored that I am yours and that I have helped maybe just soften you up a little bit.
You have. You know, I used to think I was, you know, I was a lonely man back in the day. I used to think, you know, I'm a guy that me and my horse should be riding through the desert. Just me and my horse. That's all I need, right? And then I met you and I realized, no, man, I am meant to be with somebody, in love with somebody, taking care of you. You're taking care of me. We're taking care of our kids. We're an important part of each other's lives, and other lives we're helping to support in, you know, financially and emotionally.
And we love every minute of it.
So, John, thank you for pointing that out. And, thank you for pointing that out, John. There was a BC. There was a before Chrissy for me.
Well, it was very special. I have to just add to what you're saying. He came up to me, he and his wife, they were so sweet, prior to the workshop and introduced themselves. And they were so excited, saying, we're so excited to meet you and thank you, and you've helped change Tom. And I was like, oh my gosh, it was really kind. And of course, it was my first time meeting them. And they made it a point to have that conversation with me prior. I had no idea, though, Tom, that they were going to say something in the workshop.
Well, you have made me a kinder and gentler man, and that's a good thing, and I thank you for that.
You are so welcome, and it is absolutely, again, love you and thank you for all you do for me, for our kiddos, our family, and all of our wonderful, loyal listeners, because you provide an incredible service, and you have for many years, to the community, to give people information so that they can make the best informed and helpful decisions for their families. Thank you for that.
Thank you, love. We are blessed.